Hi, my name is Wesley Moore. I'm the Department Head for Industrial Programs here at Randolph Community College. In this Programs Division, we have three pathways. We've got a new one called Manufacturing Technology. It's kind of tied with Apprenticeship Randolph, and it gives a great opportunity for students exiting high school to start a job, start school, and somebody else pays for it. Awesome opportunity. Secondly, we have Electrical Systems Technology. And in this division, we focus on electrical, the skills required to do building and distribution, whether it be residential, just like in a house situation, industrial, distribution and delivery of the power. And then we have industrial systems. In industrial systems technology, we have a pathway called Mechatronics Technician. And I want to kind of talk about that topic today. What is a Mechatronics Technician? Mechatronics is a new buzzword, just like we hear these words and we don't understand why. But it comes from industry. And industry demands a technician these days that can do more than I'm an electrician or I'm a mechanic. Silo thinking is gone in a lean environment. So what they need is somebody that can do both. Mechatronics is the study of three things: electrical, mechanical, and software. So some of the stuff you'll see in the video will show this equipment running. There's motors, there's controllers, there's motion, and there's software. So a mechatronics technician has to master these three things. The opportunities in the area just become more and more profound daily. An example of how this has evolved in our everyday life, if you've been in a new car lately, touch screens, been in industry over 20 years. Cars also have some complex mechanical devices. I know automatically closing lift gates, doors, programmable. You can program it how high you want it to lift. So all of this stuff has been in industry and now it's made mainstream. So thinking about that, industry has a world of opportunity, and as technical as it's got in our day-to-day vehicles, the machinery has been there for years. No longer is it an electrical problem or a mechanical problem. It's an actuator problem, which the technician has to understand. Is it electrical, is it mechanical, or is it software? And the time is money in industry, so this is one of the reasons we study these three things. And in closing, if you are interested in this, which is a very rewarding career, if you like hands-on, working with your hands, challenging your mind, lifelong learning, it never stops because they keep introducing new products, this is the program for you. You can reach us from the website. Just contact any division that you're interested in, and we'll be glad to help you with this and make your choice. And now, one thing that clicks with me is how music is a symphony. And if you've ever been around a race car driver in the pits, he says something's not right. His machine's not right. He knows something's not right. Just like in industry, every machine is like a harmony or a symphony. And that day, that light bulb in my head came on, and I was able to see the correlation with music, machinery, and programming. It interested me even more because a sequence, music is a sequence. Any machine running is a sequence of events. So if you can blend that together, it's really a rewarding career. So anyway, just contact us if you're interested. We'll be glad to talk to you. Have a nice day.